In this lesson plan, we will be exploring making three-dimensional shapes using either handmade nets or printed out nets as per the Australian curriculum. First, students will look at making cubes. This net of a cube was made by my grandfather, and he says that he knows that this will make a cube because it has 6 sides as a cube would, and they're all of equal shape. Now he will make this net of a cube into an actual cube. While he makes the cube, we'll look at the other 3 types of prisms that students can look at. We have triangular prism, a hexagon prism, and an octagon prism. I have already made the octagon prism to show as an example, and students will probably get nets for both the octagon and the hexagon prism, and may want to try draw a triangular prism or may use nets. If students decide to use nets, they will have to use their own fine motor skills to cut out the nets exactly to sizing, and then have to make sure that they can fold all the bits together and use glue effectively to make the prisms. After making 2 3D shapes, students can start looking at the different properties between each shape and describing how each shape is different from each other or how each shape is similar. For example, a cube or a rectangular prism has 6 sides, while an octagon prism has 10 sides. Making 3-dimensional shapes using nets can help students who have trouble visualizing 3-dimensional types of shapes. This type of lesson can take a long time with students with certain fine motor skills. However, it is essential for them to learn about this, especially when it comes to visualizing different kinds of 3-dimensional prisms and other shapes. You can also transfer what you learn from this skill into using it in a different mathematical lesson. For example, the cubes can turn into dice and can be used in a chance lesson, or they can build little chests with the paper or just anything else, but it is not limited to just geometry.